Hey everyone, today we are looking at the Kinesis Freestyle2 Ergonomic Keyboard for PC. This award-winning split design lets you rotate and separate key modules up to 9 inches. It features a standard Windows layout with handy hotkeys and an embedded numeric 10 key. The low-force key switches use a custom membrane to reduce finger fatigue and strain. Everything you need is included right out of the box for easy plug-and-play setup. Boost your typing comfort and productivity with this versatile ergonomic solution today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.